Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about celery seed, one of my most favorite types of seeds to use in regards to me being currently on the keto program. I have been using this seed continuously in order to help serve as a diuretic and to help in clearing toxins out from the system during this process that I'm in right now, my weight loss process. So I'd like to talk about the seeds and what they are used for and how you can use them as part of helping to promote your health and wellness journey. And I've previously made a video in depth talking about celery in all its parts: the essential oil, the root, the seeds, the plant, the stalk. There will be a link to that video in the description box below. But with the seeds, they're a great diuretic and they basically help to clear toxins. They're perfect for anyone wanting to promote a good urinary system. They're perfect to help combat urinary inflammation as well, and they're also being used for gout, for helping to clear gout. Why? Because the uric acid crystals are eliminated through the use of the celery seeds. Because the uric acid crystals, they collect in the joints and they cause joint pain. So by using the celery seeds, we clear out the uric acid and we gradually eliminate that problem. That's the idea behind using the celery seeds for gout. Also, bear in mind that they are bitter and they are aromatic as well. You're not don't expect to make yourself some celery seed tea and expect it all to be floral and all rainbows. It is aromatic, it is bitter, but it is very potent. Bear that in mind. It is extremely potent, and that is why it acts as a mild digestive stimulant, and that's why it's really helpful when it comes to helping you go to the bathroom a lot, to really clear out through the urine, really clear out all the kind of things that are in terms of toxins, or help to clear the urinary pathways that way, and that is from personal experience as well. So my best way to use the celery seeds, of course, they are you can use them to make an infused oil. My favorite way that works quite well is simply making an infusion using the seeds. Just start off by using 2 teaspoons of the celery seeds, and you can combine them with any other herb that works well with them, that's also a digestive aid, and add half a cup of boiling water to that. Leave it for about 10 minutes and then drink. Sweeten if necessary. Usually I don't really like to sweeten, but you will notice the diuretic effect straight away. And make sure that you stay at home so you can go to the bathroom straight afterwards, because it really does help to clear the urinary tract that way. So I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, like, share and subscribe. I would love to have you on board. Take care and enjoy your day. Bye bye.